Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today friends I am come up with a video. So I hope you would be remembering me or you would be waiting for my video upload. So today I found a topic that is very interesting. I thought of mine like I should share with you my inputs. So how our immune system blankets coronavirus with antibodies. So as you know, this pandemic is a corona pandemic is going on and it's very contagious. So I mean we should understand how it works in our body and how our immunity system handles this coronavirus well enough. So that's why we can understand more of the things like from not from the learning point of view, like how we in our health perspective also we can understand like how it works. So here we have a one when someone is infected with SARS-CoV-2, their body produces antibody against it, and scientists have now come up with the most complete picture yet is coming into focus how these antibodies work to neutralize the part of the virus responsible for causing infection. So previous research focused on one group of antibodies that target the most obvious part of the coronavirus spike protein called the receptor binding domain. So you guys know like SARS-CoV-2 variant has come up in India also, right? It's very dangerous and it's 5 to 10 times impactful rather than earlier one COVID-19 one. So earlier 2020 we had that virus that was not much. I mean, it compared to SARS-CoV-2, it was not so much impact. But yeah, this virus is very dangerous, and it has come up with more replication and more protein intake and I mean, we can say like it's more powerful than earlier one. So scientists have completed their study and they found like our antibodies are doing well enough to neutralize the part of the virus which is causing infection in our body. So earlier research was found like most of the coronavirus spike protein was targeted by our immune system, and this coronavirus spike protein called the receptor binding domain. So we have receptor binding domain is a part of the spike. It is nothing but we have you have a ball and some thorns are coming out like that. So spikes are attaches on your ball, like say we can say. So RBD is a part of the spike uh, that attaches directly to the human cells and enables the virus to infect them. It was assumed to be a primary target of the immune system. So it was assumed like earlier it has assumed like it would target our immune system, right? It was assumed to be the primary target of the immune system, but after the study of the plasma samples from 4 people who recovered from the SARS-CoV-2 infections, the researchers found that most of the antibodies circulating in the blood, on an average, about 84%, target areas of the viral spike protein outside the RBD, receptor binding domain. So, and apparently for good reason. So I mean some good reason is there. So we should understand like how it is working. Like we have that earlier it was assumed like it will be that if our immune system will be neutralizing that spike protein only, but as far as the study says, so it it is also covering that around 84% part of outer RBDs, which is responsible for the replicating or which is responsible for infecting our immune system. So it is found that these antibodies are painting the entire spike, both the arc and the stalk of the spike protein, which looks a bit like an umbrella. So as you know, like our antibodies attaches to that spikes, and and it shapes like umbrella. So the immune system sees the entire spike and tries to neutralize it. And many of these non-RBD directed antibodies act as a potent weapon against the virus by targeting a region in part of the spike protein located in what would be the umbrella's canopy, called the N-terminal domain. So these antibodies neutralize the virus in a cell cultures and were shown to prevent a lethal mouse adapted version of the virus from infecting mice. The entity is also part of the virus spike protein that mutates frequently, especially in several variants of concern. This suggests that they can mutate around one of the most common and potent types of antibody in our arsenals. So